soul. This is Nancy here, and welcome back. So, today we'll see what are the messages from your DM to you, and we'll see what is his current energy, the neutral energy between you and him. What are your current updates? And do take whatever resonates, and you can leave the rest. So, here we go. Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups, and we're having Six of Cups. Let's see your current energy, okay? Seven of Swords, we have the King of Pentacles, and we have the Queen of Wands. And I can really see this, I can really understand your guy, your DM, okay? It can be a girl and a guy. He knows there is this great mystery, there is this great energy which he feels when he is around with you. He feels a blessing, he feels a relief when he is around you. As well as we have the Nine of Cups. He is so complete when you are around him. He feels the completion when he is around with you. He feels that he's achieved everything in his life when he is around with you. He feels happy inside. His soul feels so happy that you are with him. You are a part of him in his life. His inner soul, his intuition knows the whole thing. His intuitive knowledge reminds him that there is some kind of connection between you and him. There is this beautiful bond which is from birth to birth. I don't know how many births we have been together. They do feel that they don't understand the twin flame tag, I'm sure, but some of them do know it's twin flame, but some of them don't know it's twin flame. So they always feel that it's a soulmate connection. As well as, or it can even be that y'all both were a childhood friend, or y'all both are having a childish behavior, attitude towards each another. And that's the reason sometimes y'all feel that okay, this person is so deeply in love with me, because she is such a bubbly kind of a feeling. He does see you, or she does see him as a very bubbly, very caring, very childish behavior you have. And this is your energy. You are kind of tired, and you're just leaving some things behind. Let her guards down and be in this detached. So whoever has been in this detached moment is really good, because you don't know what is happening behind the scene. So whoever has gone in this detached mode, okay, they are actually creating a very bright future for masculine to understand what is this feminine energy. Who is she? Why is she not talking to me? He is feeling that pull between you and him. And yes, you know everything. You are sitting and you're watching, and yes, you have detached. You are not giving your energy to your DM anymore. So that's the reason it's playing the wonders. As well as you are stuck with your decision. You are working into your future, whatever work you have, whatever goals you want to do in life, you're planning and you're doing that. And you are just thinking about whatever you're doing, exactly it's right, because somewhere or the other you understand you can pick up your masculine's energy. You can understand when you have this detached from your masculine, okay? When you leave, you're not holding on to him completely, but you are holding on to him a little bit. But yes, you are leaving the 3D thing in the side. Okay, you're leaving the 3D in the side, but you are completely okay and working to your goals, working to your missions in life, working to your soul purpose. As well as you are watching, everything. You are in this 5D realm, and you are really, happy, and you are understanding that this is a 3D and I don't need to hold on into 3D, I need to hold on into 5D. So whatever you're doing, you are understanding why you're doing, and you do understand that he knows that this is a, soulmate connection, and you are working hard because you understand that he feels complete only, when you are with him. You know that as well. And this Ace of Cup, he knows that there is some kind of spark between you and him, and you know it as well. And you also know that to want him into your life, to want the masculine into your life, sometimes you have to detach. And the hermit is basically saying that you are going deeper inside in yourself, and that's the reason you are understanding why you are getting detached from your guy, why you are getting detached from your masculine. Okay, as well as the masculine is going inside in himself right now, when he's not getting the energy from you, he's going deeper inside in you, and he's feeling this blessing, this emotion, this cup of, you know the beautiful spark, which helps him to know that, you he needs you. There is this blessing when he's there with you. He feels this complete happiness and joy, because when he goes inside in himself, and he feels that there is this soul connection between you and him. Now let's take one more, and we'll just see what does the angel needs to tell us. Okay, for you and your masculine. So I do believe this card as go as a flow. So you have left it and surrendered yourself to the divine. Okay, you see this beautiful sun, and we even saw the, like we can see so many yellow parts everywhere. So basically it's, you have let it on God, as well as he also is let it on God. Your masculine is left this whole thing, the whole journey, he has left it on God, and he is surrendered, and you are surrendered. So this is a very good energy which I'm picking today. Love you so much. Thank you. God bless you.